Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a question from an email that I've got about the Windows security, antivirus, and malware prevention. And, that, of course, has to do with the fact that the question is asking, is this going to be eventually a paid antivirus or not? And the reason is because of something else that that person has seen, which is this Microsoft Defender that is available in the Microsoft Store. And what kind of piqued his curiosity, it says available for download with a Microsoft 365 subscription. So that came to mind that, does it mean that we'll have to pay for antivirus on Windows 10? No. This is a different package and a different thing. I actually installed it and tried it for a few weeks and uninstalled it because I find it kind of not really that useful. So the idea behind the antivirus, first of all, is that what you have in Windows, which is the Windows Security app, will always stay free. This is the security that Microsoft offers within Windows, and that works fine, and it's okay like that, and you don't have to invest into a paid antivirus. You're wasting money more than anything else, and also this will always stay free. The reason there is something else is because with a subscription, what you can get is something else called Microsoft Defender. Microsoft Defender is a little different. What it does is, first of all, rely and look at your Windows security, making sure that it's all right. And it kind of tells you that it's adding a layer of security if you are a Microsoft 365 subscriber. So if you have a subscription, you get this for free, but it's not free. It is with a subscription of Microsoft 365. The main feature of this security app is mostly to be able to install this app on different devices. And what I mean by that is that Microsoft Defender can be installed on a Mac, it can be installed in an Android tablet phone, on Windows, and it actually links all together into one big panel that you can see all of your devices at once. So the idea behind it is that it's there to also serve as some protection for your devices, but also as a front panel where you can see all your devices at once that are on this app's security. So basically that means that you'll see every device. It's going to tell you if every device security of Microsoft Defender is working, up to date, and correct. And it's going to tell you every device that you have it on. So it's a multi-platform antivirus or malware prevention software that has a front panel that you could actually watch if everything is all right. So, for example, if your family has different devices that they use, maybe an Android tablet, maybe an iPhone, or an iPad, things like that, you can install the Microsoft Defender app on these devices that offers its own security. And what happens is that if you are on Windows, for example, maybe you have multiple people on Windows, you can monitor everybody, make sure that everybody's app is working, everybody's all right, as long as you have, once again, a Microsoft 365 subscription. This is not really needed, honestly, and every device works fine the way it is without this. But it's kind of a front panel if you're kind of worried if everybody is secure and everybody stays secure. You have that front panel that tells you that your kids' phones are all right or tablets are all right, and even if they're not in Windows, that front panel will give you information for that. But this isn't free. It is with a subscription, and that is an added feature if you wish to add more devices and more platforms where Windows security is for Windows and only Windows, and it's the security that Windows 10 and Windows 11 has when you actually install Windows on a PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.